A Telepresence robot is a device that allows its user to participate in school or anywhere by means of a video and audio link. But it also gives the participant the possibility to move around and choose what to see and who to talk with. The participant uses a device at home to control the robot. All it needs is an internet connection, and it simply makes the participant autonomous.
So I'll open up my browser, I'll log in with my credentials, and then it will show a list of robots, and then to call the robot, just simply click on it. Now I'm on the robot. And I can drive around using the arrow keys, or if I prefer I could use the mouse. Hello? Hey man.
What are the scenarios for the robot? It could be the hospital, children having long-term health issues, or short-term absence at school like travelling or isolation, giving the children the opportunity to be involved in class activity. It could be kids with anxiety where you can stay safe at home. What about learning foreign languages with kids from other countries, but also for excursions like, for example, the museum?